This week, we're going to read a new type of story. We're going to read a drama. A drama is a play. Plays can be read and performed. As you read The Puddle Puzzle, which is a play or a drama, pay attention to the cast of characters, dialogue or what the characters say, setting or where and when the story takes place, and stage directions that tell the performers or the actors what to do. Our power words this week are agency. If you work at an agency, your job is to help others get something done. Business. A place open for business is ready to work, buy, or sell something. Confidently. When you do something confidently, you are sure you will do it well. Eagerly. When you do something eagerly, you really want to do it. Seeps. When something seeps, it passes slowly down through a small opening. Mystery. A mystery is something that is hard to understand or is not known about. Ace. Someone described as ace is extremely good at something. And our last word is located. When something is located, it is found. Open your books to page 215. While you're doing that, we're going to listen to find out more about the author of this drama, The Puddle Puzzle.
Ellen Weiss makes new discoveries whenever she writes a book. She says, if you're a curious person, writing is great. Being curious is helpful when you write a mystery. It is helpful when you read a mystery too. See if you can solve the mystery of the puddle puzzle before the end of the story. The Puddle Puzzle by Ellen Weiss, illustrated by Joe Cepeda.
All right, turn to the next page.
Miller Detective Agency. Cast of characters: Taylor, Brandon, Carlos, Adriana. Setting: a neighborhood on a sunny spring day. Scene 1. Taylor: I am so excited. The Miller Detective Agency is open for business. Brandon: I am excited too. Taylor: now we just have to wait for our first customer. Carlos: is that the detective agency? Taylor: come over. We are open.
In a drama, you have things like a list of the characters. So these are the 4 characters that will be in the drama or the play. You will also have a description of the setting so that if you are performing the play, you can make the stage look like the setting. A drama is also divided into different sections, or they're called scenes. So this is the first scene. The names that are capitalized and in a different color help you to know who is saying these words. So if you were playing the character of Taylor, you would know every time it said Taylor in big letters and in green, that is what you would say. Right, turn the page.
Carlos: I am Carlos, and this is my sister, Adriana. We have a problem. Taylor: we are here to help. What is your problem? Carlos: our puddle has vanished. Adriana: we were playing in the puddle. Then the sun went away, so we went inside for lunch. When the sun came back out, we went outside to play again. Carlos: but our puddle was gone. Can you help us find it? Taylor: this is a very hard case. We will do our best to solve it for you. Brandon, smiling confidently: I know the answer. I know. Taylor. Shh, Brandon. I am the oldest, so I am in charge. We need to go and look for clues.
The words inside of these parentheses, where it says smiling confidently, they're inside of parentheses because they are called stage directions. They are just directions that tell the person playing Brandon that he should be smiling. But he does not actually say those words. The words that he says are, I know the answer, I know.
Scene 2. Taylor. This is where your puddle was located? Carlos. Yes, it was right here. Taylor. Taking out her notebook and writing. One puddle missing. She looks around. Maybe somebody stole it. Was anyone around here? Carlos. Nobody. Taylor. Maybe it is hiding. I will look behind this bush. Nope. It is not here. Brandon. Eagerly. I know what happened. Taylor. Shh, Brandon. Brandon. But I know what happened. Taylor. Now I am looking for footprints. Adriana. Maybe we should let Brandon talk. Brandon. Thank you. He clears his throat. A puddle is full of water, right? Carlos. Right. Brandon. But water can have 3 different forms. Carlos. It can. Brandon. Yes. When we are splashing in a puddle, the water is a liquid. If you freeze water, it turns into a solid. Adriana. Ice. Brandon. There is one more thing water can be too. It can be a gas. Adriana. A gas? Brandon. Yes. When we boil water, the steam that seeps out of the kettle is a gas. When the sun shines on a puddle and heats it up, the water turns into a gas too. A gas does not have a shape or a size. Sometimes we cannot even see it. Carlos. So that is what happened to our puddle. Brandon. It went into the air, and now we cannot see it or feel it. This is called evaporation. Taylor. Mystery solved. Scene 3. Taylor. Brandon, I'm sorry I didn't let you talk today. You knew the answer, and I was too excited about gathering clues to listen. I think we need a new sign. Brandon, smiling proudly. That is much better. Taylor. We are ace detectives. Miller and Miller, Science Detective Agency.
All right, go ahead and turn in your book to page 226. It says, where would you add more stage directions to help readers perform the drama? Use details from the words and pictures to explain your answer. On page 226, you're first going to draw a scene from the drama. You're going to add labels that tell what the characters are doing or feeling. So you're going to choose something that happened in the drama or the play, and you're going to draw a picture of that on page 226. Then you're going to use words that might tell what the characters are supposed to be doing or what they're feeling. On page 227, you're going to write stage directions that you would like to add to the drama. Be sure that they describe what the characters are doing or feeling as they say their lines. Remember to include words that clearly describe actions or feelings, that include the character's lines that the stage directions go with, and to think about how you would read them. So, for example, this is an example of a stage direction. When Brandon says, "That is much better," the stage direction tells him that he should be smiling proudly. One example of a stage direction that you could add for Taylor in this scene is when she's saying that she thinks that they need a new sign. You could add that she should be holding the sign up for Brandon to see or writing the new words. Those would be stage directions. They tell her what to do, but they are not things that she would say. So on page 226, you're going to draw a picture of a scene. And then on 227, you're going to rewrite the lines and add stage directions. Then take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom.